Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're ready for some fun with painting. Today I am going to get my Gilly on. Gilly Kube from Queensland, Australia does some wonderful pours, what she calls the Aussie Kiss and Blow. I haven't tried it yet, but I feel like trying something new. And after watching a big event with a lot of different pour artists who were trying each other's techniques and seeing how well they could do, I really wanted to give some new things a try. So let's get down to the canvas and see how this goes. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so we are ready to try something new today. We are going to try the Kiss and Blow. So for that, I've got some balloons blown up to do the kissing after we do the pour. It's called the Kiss and Blow, but you actually blow and then kiss, but we'll see how it is. All right, let's go through the colors. We're going to start with our base coat, and that is going to be our Loft Flow Acrylic in white. I've got Folk Art Metallic Rose Gold, Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, which I really love, Arteza Lemon Yellow, Decor Americana Decor Metallics in Berry, Loft Neon Pink, and our final color is Master's Touch Acrylic in Fluorescent Orange Yellow. Now you will notice that these are very bright colors because Gilly always is saying that her colors are bright and uplifting, and so we're going to do her colors or a similar color palette to what she might do as we try one of her signature pours. All right, we're going to start by flooding this board, so if you hang on a minute, I'll get this board flooded and we'll be ready to go. Okay, and we are covered. Now I just got to decide how I'm going to layer this paint. I'm going to put sort of the blow down at this end and pull maybe some smears up. We shall see. Now this paint is nice and thin like a Dutch pour paint. Not quite as thin as a Dutch pour, but pretty much a Dutch pour paint. Is how do I want to blow this? I think we'll try the straw first. Oh, that is so pretty. It is selling up like crazy. Oh my goodness. There are so many cells. I'll tell you the trick I did to ensure I got some extra cells this time. Let me just blow a little bit more. And that was, I know that when I do the bloom technique, into that mixture of Floetrol and glue, I add my Minwax Pre-stain Wood Conditioner. So into my colors today, I added a little bit of that because that generally makes your American Floetrol act like Aussie Floetrol. And since I'm trying to do the Aussie Kiss and Blow, I wanted it to be similar to Aussie Floetrol. Sort of react like that, and I sort of got that here. This is wonderful. Stretch it that way just a little, not too much. Oh my goodness, there are so many cells in here. Little clear plastic swiper. Put some smears in, just some little smears, just to see what happens. I'm getting some cells in some of these, which is pretty. so happy. Oh, there are some beautiful cells, like this one here, this blue. Oh, that cobalt blue. You knew the cobalt blue was going to be a good one. I think I'm going to do is dip this in the cobalt blue. Oh, oh look. Oh, oh. Oh, be still my heart. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Just a gazillion cells. It is acting like it is Aussie Floetrol, and it's American Floetrol that's been given a little extra zing. Nothing is going as well as that cobalt blue. Let's try a little gold. Metallics are usually better at reacting than anything else. Maybe if we spray a little of that. Oh, this blue though. Oh, so pretty. Just blue cells. Okay, now I think what we need to do is give this a little time. Do a little more on the edges here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause you for a little bit, because usually you need to let it sit a little bit before you start ballooning. So I may just pause you while I clean up a little bit, and then I will bring you back in. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to give this a quick torch, and then we're going to try some ballooning and see if I need to let it sit a little longer, or whether the ballooning will start to work now. It's going to depend on how thick and wet the paint is. Alright. So this is just a balloon. I'm going to start with the larger balloon. This is just a balloon with air, just a regular air balloon. I'm just going to hold it by the button, and we're just going to press and see what happens. Here we go. Smaller balloon, I think. So I'm liking some of this here. It's getting there. It probably needs a little more, and it may be that the paint is just a little too wet still. Now this small one has water in it, and it's just going to help us do some teeny little ones in the center of our other ones. Little bitty ones in places. It's supposed to give us sort of a flowery look. Ooh, we're definitely getting that flower garden feel here. Liking. For a first attempt, not bad. Alright, I think I'm going to let it sit a little bit and let the paint dry and set just a little bit more before I do a few more kisses. Hang in there, guys. Okay, while I'm waiting, I think I'm going to do a few more little smear slides here, especially with this cobalt blue. if something doesn't work the first time you try it, you can always try again. Okay, I tried this on one spot, and what I did is I ran that blue over top of the other one I'd already done. And then you're getting the color coming through underneath the blue. I'm getting beautiful cells of the blue. So it's making the smears look so much nicer. So multicolored. See how much you can see the other color still there, but it's underneath the cells. Sometimes you just have to keep fiddling, people. You can't settle for the way it was when you started. I'm trying to let this bottom part set up a little bit more before I do any more down there. So. I think I may try and redo some of these just to see if having it sit for a little bit has helped. See, I'm getting all the way down to the canvas now, so I'm not liking it. I think we're going to stop there. All right. Let me bring you down to take a closer look. Okay, so I tried doing something more up here. I don't like it. And I love this down here, but I'm not real happy with this up here. So I'm thinking I'm just going to pour some paint and blow and smash up here some. So if you don't like something, don't live with it. Move on. So we're just gonna have some fun up here. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that could happen? Don't answer that. Let's add a little more color up here. And we're just gonna blow it and then smash it and see what happens. Already made a big mess. Why not make some more mess? I'm just not pleased with the top part here, so I'm changing it up. If you don't like your painting, don't stick with it. Just because you made it. Everything is fixable. Change it. Have some fun. Started here. And we'll move to the smaller blue. Definitely getting that flower feel though. I don't know. Bit of chaos here, but let that sit a minute and think about it. I'm gonna give it a torch and I'll be right back. Okay, and here are the results of my first attempt at the kiss and blow. It was definitely more kiss than blow in the end. A little bit of chaos here. Chaos is not always bad. Very bright colors. So take in to see some of this. It's so pretty. Look at the little cells that are popping up all throughout the blooms. Sort of Hawaiian Chaos is what this is. Look at little spots like that where there's just these little cell banks. Loving the reactions we got. A lot of the cells are because of the blow part. Look at this over here. Love that. Very bright, not my normal color palette, but really happy with a lot of the results in here. So many pretty spots. Oh, well, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you really liked what you saw, if you could subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give me a like, leave me a comment, I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel, doesn't cost you anything. So thank you so much for joining me and have a wonderful day.